everyone, and welcome to day 19 of the 30-day challenge. So, as you can see, I no longer have a chair, but what I wanted to tell you was that you can still use the chair if you would like, and if that works better for you. I'm going back on the floor now, but you can use still the wall for push-ups. You can still be on your knees on the floor. So you do whatever works best for you to get the challenge done. Now, as another note, we are going to be increasing each exercise, except for the jumping jacks and obliques exercises. All the rest we will increase each day. So my question to you is, can you do it? And the answer is yes, we can do it together as a team. Now, if things get too difficult for you, what I want you to do is to do your best. Do what you can and improve each day. Now let's get started. Let's start with our 25 jumping jacks. Again, you can always do the alternative to these. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Great job. Now we're going to do our squat. We're doing 11 squats. So I'm going to touch my elbows to my knees to make my butt go back farther and so my knees don't go over my toes. 11, let's go. 1, squeeze. 3, 4, 5, squeeze. 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, one more. 11, because I was used to doing 10 of them. Okay, so now let's go ahead and go on the floor. We have to do 30 push-ups. So let's go ahead and get our push-ups out the way. Again, you can do them against the wall. You have your chair. You can do them on your knees. You can do any alternative ones that you want. Move, Diamond. No, move. Go get in your space. Go get in your space. Go. Excuse my guest. So just to show you a few on your knees. So you can start here. You can do push-ups. Take my arms out farther. You can do it this way. So it's going to be building your arms and your chest and back. You can bring your arms in closer and just do like this. Keep your back flat. You can get into the push-up position this way on your knees. Go this way. Or you can do them on your toes. So I'm going to get on my toes, or you can do them against the wall. We're doing 30, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're halfway through. Keep going. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was a little difficult for me to do, but we got it through. Now for the rest of the butt lifting workout. Kind of tired now. So we're doing 11. We're going to take our foot, put it up to the air. 11 butt lifts. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Abs tight. 7, 8. Back flat. 10. One more. 11. Other side. Toe up. Point it. Abs tight. Back flat. Let's go. 10, 11. Great job. Fire hydrants is next. We're doing 11. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Whew, I'm feeling that now. 11 on the other side. Back flat, let's go. Abs tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Great job. Now take your leg, point it out. Your foot is flexed. We're going up and down for 11. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Other leg, toes flexed. 11, let's go. 1, keep your back flat, abs are tight. 4, don't let your toe hit the floor. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Great job. So now we're doing bridges. We're going to lay on the floor, lay on our backs. Feet are flat. We're bridging up for 11. So let's go. 1, remember to squeeze here, and you go up. 2, 3, 4, breathe out, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Great job. So last exercise we have are the oblique crunches. So I gave you guys a lot of different alternatives to do for the oblique crunches. So I'm going to do sort of like bicycle today. We're doing 25. I'm going to bring my legs up like this. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each time you turn, breathe out. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Counting helps to breathe out. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Great job, everyone. So I will see you tomorrow for day 20. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.
Keep pushing on.